subscribe and click the bell icon to get notified of the latest videos of the ABL. Follow all of our social media accounts and visit our website for more updates.
The Macau Wolf Warriors visiting the Macau Black Bears at the Venetian, Macau. Two teams hoping to gain momentum in the 10th season of the ASEAN Basketball League. Julian Boyd up and under. Boyd once again, strong drive to the cup. This game would mark the return of Douglas Herring. Gets the N1 play. He missed 5 games for the Macau Wolf Warriors. Here he is dishing to Scotty Ewing. Baseline drive. Kenny Manigault. He has been the man for the Black Bears. Gets the post move to go. Third quarter. Strong play for Hu Yu Wei. With the attitude. Here's Lu Jihao from deep. These two teams have a lot of fight in them. Manigault off the glass and in. He would finish with a personal best 38 points. McKinney bounce pass inside. Edwards finishing the play. McKinney all the way for the deuce. You know you can count on McKinney to finish a play. Here he is once again. This will be a crucial sequence for Douglas Herring. Stops, pops, triple, good. What a return for Mr. Douglas Herring. Tied at 95, Boyd. Off the glass and in. 1 second left. Tenacious play from Julian Boyd to give the Macau Wolf Warriors the lead. And then he comes up with a game-sealing win. Taps it out. And that will do it. Final 97-95 in favor of the Macau Wolf Warriors.